I have a surprise for you.
Yeah.
So, you know how we did the last video of your shirt?
Yeah.
And it came out okay, right?
It came out like I want up.
Oh my goodness, hold on. Come here, Papa. Ready? Hold on. Okay. Quick, fast, and a hurry. We got you a surprise, okay?
Yeah. Oh, and guys, did you know that somebody just threw a...
Close your eyes. So we got you a surprise, okay? Daddy and I worked really, really hard on this. Open your eyes.
Wow.
We made that for you last night.
You did? I did hear you guys, but I didn't see you guys. It's so
That's way better than yesterday, right?
I like it, but I like that one more.
Right. So later today, when we get back,
It's so warm.
we know how to do it now. We got a good idea, so you can make your own. But we wanted to make one really, really special for you.
Yay, thank you.
You're welcome, honey. You like it? You like the colors?
Yeah. It's dark.
Yeah, I didn't want to make it too girly.
A few minutes later.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Mimi Gang. Today, do you see this? You know what this is, right? Tie-dye Frappuccino. It reminds me of like, ooh, a nice rainbow one. It has blue, green, yellow, pink, light pink, purple, dark purple. It's something really cool. Oh. It's pretty good. I actually kind of liked it. So guys, my parents are surprising me somewhere and I don't really know where, but I did guess the water park or the beach. I can't tell whether this is mixed with lemon. It's like lemon, vanilla, like frosting, this stuff. Blueberry, raspberry. This is definitely mixed with lemon, I know for sure. And vanilla. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up. Peace. Try it.